What's up, hello guys? This is how to make our earthquake. I'm gonna show you how. First, you need the power snow bucket. You need the then you need a cobweb and a lava bucket. This is how you build. Then you get cobwebs. Let's get cobwebs first. This is how. Let's make a hole.
뭐가 묻었는데? 혹시 피니? 그냥 벗어나서 수술만 주세요.
And fill it with lava.
왜 이런 거니? 누가 이랬어? 다른 선생님께 말씀드렸어? 전에도 본 적 있어서 그래. 혼자 힘들면 선생님이 같이 말해줄게. 응? 누구야?
Let's fill it with lava first. This is how.
네, 제가.
엄마, 내가 다시 갈게. 제가요. 전에도 제가요.
Then this is how we are done. Then look, they will sing slowly. Look at the zombies, they're gonna sing.
괜찮아.
Bye bye guys. Then look, I'm gonna sing too.
거꾸로 보는
They
세상을
slowly will go out. The zombies slowly will go out too. Bye bye guys.
모든 색이 헷갈려도 이해받기 때문일까?
Then look. We are now gonna sing to the lava. Look, the zombie died.
박효진딸, 한수.
This is how you make a serious earthquake. Bye bye guys.
Yes, the young girl.